If you're in the market for a powerful, portable projector that truly delivers a theater-quality experience without the usual headaches, then let me introduce you to the Lisowod L03Pro Smart Mini Projector. Packed with next-generation features, this isn't just another gadget. It's a complete smart entertainment hub built for both indoor and outdoor movie lovers. Right out of the box, the L03Pro sets itself apart with its Netflix-certified streaming system, something you rarely see in compact projectors at this price point. With over 800 apps and 1,000 plus live TV channels built in, no subscriptions, no ads, no hidden fees, you instantly have access to endless entertainment. Whether you're watching your favorite Netflix series, tuning into global sports events, or just catching the news, this projector lets you do it all, without needing an external device like a Roku or Fire Stick. Now, let's talk about setup. One of the standout features of the L03Pro is its AI auto setup system. This advanced technology handles everything from autofocus and keystone correction to screen alignment and obstacle avoidance, all on its own. You literally press the power button, and it takes care of the rest. It even adapts to weird angles or upside-down placements, which makes it perfect for ceiling viewing, bedrooms, or outdoor setups. In less than 5 seconds, you have a perfectly aligned, crystal-clear screen without lifting a finger. When it comes to picture quality, the L03Pro doesn't disappoint. It offers native 1080p resolution with 4K support, powered by a 1000 ANSI lumens brightness engine and a wide color gamut. What does this mean for you? Deep blacks, vivid colors, and a stunning image even in semi-lit environments. Whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or streaming a nature documentary, the visuals are sharp, rich, and immersive. And thanks to the AI Smart Image Boost, the projector intelligently enhances detail and clarity in real time. Audio-wise, the experience is just as impressive. The Dolby audio-powered speakers provide rich, immersive sound right out of the unit. But if you prefer external speakers or headphones, the Bluetooth 5.2 connection allows for seamless pairing with zero lag. Even better, the Bluetooth volume sync automatically balances the audio between your projector and Bluetooth device, so you don't have to fiddle with two remotes. Speaking of remotes, the L03Pro supports CEC control, allowing you to operate multiple connected devices, like your projector, game console, or TV stick, with a single remote. Plus, the intuitive interface, powered by CinemaOS and the flagship LX3 chip, offers a smartphone-like UI with smooth transitions and lightning-fast app launches. And it doesn't stop there. The projector includes some genuinely thoughtful smart features, like a customizable screensaver, live TV favorites list, and even a built-in browser. There's also a QR code you can scan to turn your smartphone into a touchpad remote, making navigation easier and faster than with traditional remotes. Connectivity is modern and future-proof, with Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast streaming and multiple ports including HDMI, USB, 3.5mm, and more. Whether you're connecting your phone, laptop, gaming console, or hard drive, it's all plug-and-play. This is especially handy for gamers and professionals alike. Despite packing all these powerful features, the L03Pro remains compact and lightweight. Weighing just 3.5 pounds and measuring about 8 by 7 inches, it's incredibly portable, ideal for camping trips, backyard movie nights, or even professional presentations. And with a 100,000-hour light source, you're looking at roughly 20-plus years of life at 3 movies a day. That's unbeatable longevity for such an affordable device. In a world where most smart projectors are either too basic, too expensive, or too slow, the Lisowod L03Pro strikes a perfect balance. It's smooth, smart, fast, and fully loaded, built for both casual users and home theater enthusiasts. And with an unmatched combination of Netflix support, auto setup, Dolby audio, and an intuitive OS, it offers tremendous value for money. So if you're ready to transform your movie nights, upgrade your streaming setup, or just ditch the monthly subscription fees, the Lisowod L03Pro is easily one of the best smart projectors you can buy in 2025. It's not just a projector, it's your new favorite way to watch everything.